This video will guide you to replace the left air duct on your J8 series printer. Please use a 2.5mm ball end hex screwdriver for this procedure, as a regular hex screwdriver could damage the duct screws. To prepare for this procedure, first verify that the build tray is empty, then follow the shutdown procedure for the printer. Once the printer is shut down, open the printer cover and slowly move the print block carriage to the center of travel to provide access to the left air duct. Using the 2.5mm ball end hex screwdriver, remove the two screws securing the left air duct to the fan assembly. Carefully pull the left air duct downward and remove it from the printer. Insert the new air duct underneath the fans, with the bottom vent facing to the left. Secure the new left air duct using the two screws previously removed. Confirm that both screws are tightened snugly.